Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one got a different gray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom rains before the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my thinking undid the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no one only cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps it in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for taking it to your own vein? What a shame you shoot an aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to say it's time for falling right or crime. I think the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me. Yeah.